This is Black Magic Woman. It's a 1/25th scale 73 Chevrolet Caprice, built by me and painted by Armando Flores from Masterpieces. It has opening doors, as you can see, and what it also does, it moves out of itself. As you can see, I have my both hands free, so no radio control here. I added a Arduino circuit board by programs using my desktop computer, so it performs a whole routine of going up and down, side to side, rear up, front up, etc. And you can add pause like a minute or 3 minutes, so you can leave it on the table and it performs a whole routine out of itself, which is a really cool feature. Even the moonroof will open and close out of itself, as you can see.